Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friends. I want to present today is about I adding more 18,650 batteries to my D.I.Y power station, and the question is, why I added up more? Simply because I wanted to extend my usage in this power station. 10 hours with 29 watts is not enough. You know me, friends. This why I added more power. And this time at the clip you seen, friends. First I want to fully charge the station with added batteries inside. Friends, check this out. In this clip as shown here, I need to recharge T station first before I going to use it, to equally balance the battery voltage and capacity. NMC batteries also as lithium ion in 100 watts or above in 5 amps charger. This will take us to 6 hours up to 10 hours of normal charge.
Nakalimutan ko pala kung banggitin yung mga kasama niya. Ito po ay may free na bag. So, meron siyang free na carry bag. At yung charger niya, 12.6 volts.
I begins at 3 p.m. This is afternoon. The voltage where we started is 12.5 volts.
At malalaman mo na cheap na power station siya kapag meron siya kasama. Mga USB. Pag cheap na power station.
This is the time beginning of a new story. Good morning everyone, here in YouTube. Blackout MTS 100 watts with real-time discharging testing. This method is not new in my channel. Everybody already know the facts here. For our beginnings, I started using my power station around 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. Basically, friends, I never have been used such a tool to make this video quickly. But watch my video until the end.
Kung sabagay ako, maglalagay pa ako ng switch dyan. Ang dami na rin mga kasama. Sila na bahala doon.
In addition, the engine generates too much.
Okay, hilahin ko na ha. Hilahin ko na. Saksak mo agad ha.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Okay.
Noise and vibration, which makes ducts.
Powered by EcoFlow. Ewan ko anong version yung pinareview sa kanila na EcoFlow. Si EcoFlow kung minsan wala siyang pakialam kung ano yung mga content mo. Basta magpapareview lang siya. Desperado!
For my conclusion about my DIY power station. My homemade power station reached 17 hours. Meaning my extra added batteries was very successful. Why? Before is only 10 to 13 hours. Now, 17 hours. Just put in your mind the gap of time here. I've been already calculated the hours that my power station usable usage times. Soon I'll added 2 more groups of 3's 2p. AC testing to this device soon. This is the line end of my video. If you like my DC testing, please like this video and subscribe too. Thank you for watching.